art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a black cat in a pumpkin squishmallow. So first let's get started with the shape of the body. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And then we're going to start back on the top, curving this line over and then down on the right. Starting back on the left-hand side, now we're going to continue to curve this further out towards the side, bringing this further down towards the bottom. And then we're going to replicate that over on the right, curving this line around and then back in underneath. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this line in towards the center. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that so it's roughly blending in together on the bottom. For the ears now on the top, we're going to curve this line over and out. We'll leave a gap in the middle coming over on the left and replicating that. Now from here on the outside, from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. From the inside corner on the top now, let's curve this line down and in towards the side of the head. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side and replicate that, arching that down. Let's close off the pumpkin on the bottom now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. From each corner now, we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes in towards the center. And then now from that corner, we're going to bring this line down and in towards the middle. For the eyes now, moving over for the inner circle, we're just going to draw a small circle on the right. And then we'll line this up at the same height coming over on the left, and we'll replicate that as well. Let's draw in another circle as we come over towards the outside. So we're going to replicate that as we come all the way around, leaving an even amount of space. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. For the nose in the middle now, we're going to arch this line around and then in. On each side, we're going to curve this line up and out. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. Now on the side for the whiskers, we're just going to draw in a rectangle, curving the edges as we come around. And then dropping down on a diagonal, we'll replicate that again. Let's move over on the left-hand side now and replicate that. So we're going to draw in another rectangle, curving the edges as we come down. And then dropping down on a diagonal, let's replicate that again one more time. Lastly, we're just going to draw in the face on the pumpkin. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a triangle for our left eye. And then we're going to leave a gap coming over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. We'll bring this line down on both sides. And then let's bring this line back out. From here, we're going to bring this line up, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to curve this line out on both sides. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then we'll draw a straight line that comes down on both sides. Now from here in the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then up on both sides, closing off the mouth. And that is it. That's how you draw a black cat in a pumpkin squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.